what you need to start clowning in 2025. All right. So first of all, a lot of people been saying that card clowning is dead and it's not working anymore. A lot of people been saying they've been getting scammed and getting ripped off. But let me tell you something, guys. Card clowning is just alive as it was in 2022. Even beyond that, I be doing it and it be working for me. So let me show you guys the things that I use to start clowning. So first of all, you're gonna want to go ahead and cop these Java blanks. So I recommend getting the J2A040. You gotta be this. You can either get the 36K or the 40K. It doesn't matter. Once it's the J2A040, you'll be able to cash out at the ATM. And you can purchase this on Amazon or eBay, wherever you want to purchase it. As you guys can see, so this is the first thing you need. And then, as you guys can see, the Defton card reader. So you're gonna need this if you wanna copy like the tracks of your dumps onto the Java blanks. Alright, as you guys can see, it's already labeled under the Java blanks because these stuff go together. You need these stuff. And then you're gonna get yourself the Omni key. So you're gonna go ahead and type Omni key, and I'll go ahead and show you the one that I use. It looks something like this, but I'm not sure if this the one I'm looking. But yeah, you need the Omni key. I think it was, let me go ahead and see some. Once you have all these stuff, then you're gonna go ahead and purchase your softwares, because the softwares are very important. But let me search for the OmniKey card reader. You can probably use these ones, but I'm showing you guys the ones that I use. Alright, so this is it. This is the one that I use. It looks something just like this, right? As you guys can see right here, they go together. You buy these stuff. Well, this is not the card that you need. You need the J2A, not the SLE. So once you got all these three stuff, then you're ready to go ahead and start clowning. Now, once you have all those stuff, you're gonna need all of this right here. I do sell these softwares, so you guys feel free to hook me up. Alright, so I won't be opening up all these softwares just for my protection. If I go ahead and open all these softwares, my YouTube video might be taken down. So I got the 2025 is files. You're gonna need this. These are very important. These are the necessary files required to download so the softwares work on your PC. And this is the X2. I'll go ahead and open the X2 just to show you that it's legit. So if you want to know that your X2 is legit, it doesn't matter the year. That's where you get scammed. A lot of people, they think that the X2 gotta match the year that you're in. So if, for example, if we're in 2025 right now, they think that the X2 gotta say X2 2025. No, it doesn't matter. You just gotta know that your X2 is legit. Alright, so this is the one that I use and it works for me every time. So if you want to know if your X2 is legit, go ahead and start clicking on it and try to move it around. You'll see that you're not able to move it around. It's not moving. I'm trying to move it right now. It's not moving. Nothing. Alright, so this is the main software you need if you want to cash out. This, I'm gonna make a next video showing you guys the whole cash out process. Alright, as you guys can see, it asks for the Omni card. So you can use any one of these, but I just use the Omni card. And this is where like you generate the IS files, but you need a physical card if you're gonna generate IS files in the X tool. But I do have a software that doesn't require you to have a physical card. Only thing you need is like, it's basically a IS generator, and it's called IS tool. I won't be opening up this one, but this one is very much legit. I use it all the time. All you gotta do is just put in your BIN number, the first 6 number of your card, and then go ahead and hit generate. The next thing you're gonna need is the JCAP English. You're gonna need this to delete the JCAP files, clean data. You're gonna need this. This is very important. All the softwares here are very much important. And I do got the ATR tool 6.0 and all of these EMV Foundry. All of these softwares are required if you want to cash out in 2025. Now guys, I won't be making this video any much longer. If you're interested in learning how to cash out or how to clown cards in 2025, just go ahead and send me a message on my Telegram, and I'll definitely hit you guys back up.